today I'm playing with fire. It's very small. No, I don't burn myself actually, that was a lie. So, what we're really doing today is a bit of a wood turning project. Created this blank to turn. Nice big just chunk of wood, a bunch of timbers glued together. Hopefully they don't fall apart. Yeah. Okay, so got it pretty well circular. What I'm going to do now is actually cut it about there, I think. I'll make another piece out of that. Yeah, it's about alright. I'm gonna build something else, make something else out of this part and work with this. Okay, I'm now going to shape it to the pot. It's pot shape. Hopefully you make something pretty, huh?
style because that would actually make a very big difference.
Right. Because there's people that can't tolerate the setting.
Yeah, I mean, some people. I know one keeping it
So as you saw at the start of the video, I've got this little shitty flame thing, which is not ideal for this type of burning. I thought we had a bigger blowtorch, but we didn't, and I wanted to do it today, and I could be probably going out to buy something. So I'm just going to try do this. The flame might not be very consistent, but oh well. This is gonna take a really long time with this thing. Holy shit, this is taking forever. I might need to go out and buy a proper one. Fun fact about this timber that I turned, I collected it at the Geelong Cricket Club while working there. We were building a deck there, redoing a deck, and these were offcuts from that deck, and I was like, can make something out of that. I was originally gonna like maybe try and carve some sort of sculpture out of them, but we turned them instead. Insert footage of me working at the Geelong Cricket Club. Really bad quality footage, I'll say. Check this out. Wow. The wind's actually making it it's really not helping as well. My initials, can you tell? This sucks. Okay, I moved inside because it's it's cold outside, and also I was doing outside because I thought the flame would be bigger, but it won't, so it's fine inside. So I fully got this like this. It's not very consistent, but that's okay because I think once it's sanded back, should be pretty fine. Yeah, it would be better if I had a bigger flame. Oh well, it is what it is. Anyway, I'm gonna start burning this one already. Yeah, time to do this one now. So you can see the beginnings of this one, and I'll probably won't show you much more because it'll be a bit boring. So with this one, it's kind of like this is kind of like a bowl I'm gonna make. So I am gonna put this back on the lathe and gouge out the center of this, but I wanted that to be the actual wood. So I'm just going to do like a ring around here on the top, and then that should cover. Okay, the second one on this piece turned out a lot better actually. I think I got the hang of it. So I might actually go over this one a bit more. You can see the difference. There's a lot more consistent, less gaps. I might do a bit more on this one. I'm pretty happy with that actually. And like I say, once I sand it back, I think it'll look a lot better. Hands are getting all black and charcoaly. Alright, now we're gonna try and re-sand it. Gonna re-sand it on the lathe. Hopefully it looks pretty good, and then that'll be pretty much the finish. I'll put a coat or something on it as well. Okay, it's done. I just took off my respirator and I couldn't smell how nice this smelled with that wax on. Anyway, as you may have just seen, I just gouged that out a little bit by accident. You can't really tell when it's sitting flat. Like, I don't really care. Oh well, whatever, my bad. Oops. Probably should have been doing that safer, but I didn't. Anyway, that is kind of the finish on this one. Yeah, it's alright. Cool, kind of. Anyway, I'll display it later. I'm gonna do the next one.